Na me ton pure water ewo Domi market. Yes. Food and memory as soon away. Na me ton pure water ewo Domi market around 2006, 2007. Na me mama ton rice, beans, cooked food actually. Until na me call, now everything was good. Na me go school, Messiah Preparatory School or Taifa. Ti mama minya accident. Right, mama minya accident ni business no so ni adwuma no so be call form obe jaye, and then na baby ana yete no landlord no so started misbehaving to the point say ye hu be na here to the point say that the same mama dey aduane kra no otamba ko to bo me mfe e so many complications, and you know, and already at that time no na me home for me na me yare that I had me a free voter region but into na me home family dance and all those things, you know. Now I had to stop school. Nti me jai school because my business be good, and then we needed a place to also stay. Nti na one of our extended families ni biti around that who no so the uncompleted building be more on any area aye back when down in back on team, so we had to beg and go and patch by any woman not the same room. It was like a big building, so now yeah that bunting other rooms were all just that not doors in near anointing ni bibi into near the nyama sisters se ho near that hono. So within that period of time no, now I had to stop schooling for like a whole year. I had to stop schooling. Now me ton pure water. My name is siblings just start say a ton pure water or Domi market. I mean, with all these things going on, it's not like my mom was happy say yeah, ton pure water. She was always scared. To this point, because so sometimes me catch her mom so person me freedom and I mean got ton you know achimota, and she was like no, Domina is okay. So you could tell that she didn't want the idea that I was selling pure water, but then we had no choice. Right, inti me ton pure water ni we are, and you that time so na fina sa omo sapi omo top pure water robbers no sapi pure water robbers now park ya omo tono that time so na fina aba new inti no me ton pure water ni we, you na masamba sapi pure water robbers, inti we na one day me ton pure water we ya me be fia me kwa sapi pure water robbers aba park ya tono na me nam do me pillar 2 ni mo me sa pure water robbers na me me call shop bi that time I got on issue abewi nti na me kuta coins kakra na commodity na me say me top bread or shop nti me call shop no I'm gonna man say me top bread 1 CD and margin 50 pesos. So according to the woman, normally at that time we top bread 1 CD margin 20 pesos, right? But then the woman was like margin 50 pesos the endorse no do menum ye me. So that was how our conversation started, and then we talked and no catch me so where am I from? She was asking me questions. At the end of the day, she wanted me to come and stay with her. And then this is going to be a continuous story because on any story, you know, it's that story from there, you know, it's a very long story. So if you want to hear the full story, the full gist on this particular woman, you should follow me so that you get the next episode. Mommy bread ni mommy, everything. Then I left and I went to tell my mom, say, okay, this is what happened and blah, blah, blah. So she asked me, say, me meet me the mommy about fine, then we did everything. But then I was thinking about that time now, me jai school for a period of 1 year, 1.5 years. And now I made some started school boom. So now me started, then I had to go back again. Instead of I had to now go back again. And it was I feel now me from primary, I've always been, I just say me kind to me, I've always been a smart kid. But then within that short period of time now, man, go school now, I was chasing money, trying to survive and all that thing, you know. Nyama be brave about for mommy. And I'm not saying say at this point, right now, it's not like I have everything. I don't have everything. I'm still, you know, striving, but then I wouldn't compare now to then. You get it? I wouldn't compare now to then. So it was tough. And then one thing I remember is that pure water now. This is how I used to shout. And as I said, I'm in Pais, you know. Won kula kumananka sani heart why pure water. That is that. So it was like my signature. Don't say, hey, won kula kumananka sani heart why pure water. Then you know that it's me. Because I didn't care. So it got to a point, and my schoolmates from Messiah Preparatory, there was this girl called Regina, whom I started to was Remy. But in all this, no, I'm family home. Let's watch out for the next episode.